Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of making your Google Sheets file public using the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Whether you want to share your spreadsheet with anyone or just give access to those with the link, this tutorial will help you do it quickly. First, open the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Locate the file you want to share. You'll see all your recent or saved sheets on the home screen of the app. Then tap the three vertical dots next to the sheet you want to star. Then select Manage Access from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Change under the current access settings. Following this, tap on Restricted to see more sharing options. Finally, select Anyone with the link to make the file accessible to anyone who has the link. Now your Google Sheets file is public and ready to be shared easily. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you can quickly update your Google Sheets sharing settings on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.